Customer complaint management is the process of recording, tracking, and resolving complaints raised by customers to improve products, services, and overall customer satisfaction. This template provides a structured way to capture each complaint, assign actions, set deadlines, and monitor resolution progress effectively. It helps reduce repeated issues, improves communication, and ensures accountability. So, let's start exploring how to use this helpful and user-friendly tool. The bar chart on the left, titled Corrective Action Date Status, visually summarizes the urgency and progress of corrective actions linked to customer complaints. It uses 4 distinct colored bars to represent different statuses. The green bar shows actions that are still on time, the yellow bar represents those due soon, the red bar highlights overdue actions, and the gray bar indicates tracking time lapsed. This clear visual breakdown helps users instantly identify which complaints need urgent attention, ensuring timely responses and improving the efficiency of complaint resolution. It's a great tool for monitoring deadlines directly from the dashboard. The pie chart on the right, titled Complaint Severity, offers a quick visual breakdown of complaint levels based on their seriousness. It categorizes complaints into 3 classes: low severity shown in green, medium severity displayed in yellow, and high severity highlighted in red. This chart helps users instantly assess the overall intensity of complaints received, allowing teams to prioritize responses based on urgency. It's especially useful for spotting trends in complaint types and ensuring critical issues are addressed first. By visualizing severity distribution, it enhances decision-making and supports a more structured approach to handling customer feedback. On the left, I've added a shape that dynamically displays the total customer complaint records captured in this workbook, helping users track overall complaint volume at a glance easily. Just below that, I've added another shape that displays the current date automatically, providing users with a real-time reference for accurate complaint tracking and daily monitoring. Let's navigate to the report worksheet. This report is designed to display detailed information for a single customer complaint using a unique complaint ID. By entering the ID, the worksheet retrieves the full record from the main complaints table, ensuring accuracy and data consistency. Capturing complaints one by one helps in maintaining a structured complaint management process, enables quicker analysis, focused follow-up actions, accountability, and supports data-driven decisions for improving service quality and customer satisfaction. On the top right side of the report, I've added 2 important buttons: Save as Word and Save as PDF. These buttons are linked to macros that allow you to export the displayed report in either Word or PDF format with just one click. This feature is especially helpful when you want to archive, print, or share a specific complaint report professionally and efficiently without needing to reformat anything. These buttons make documentation easier and improve overall workflow. We will see how to actually save this report using these buttons later in this video, so make sure to keep watching. Now, this cell I clicked is where you should enter the complaint ID. So let's test it and see. Let's change it from A4 to A5, and once you click anywhere in the worksheet, the report will update automatically. As you can see, the report is now displaying information for a different complaint ID, helping you manage complaints more effectively and accurately. When you enter a complaint ID that does not exist in the main table, the report worksheet will return multiple errors in the linked cells, such as -N, A or blank fields. These errors occur because Excel formulas like VLOOKUP are unable to find a matching record based on the entered ID. This is why it's important to always verify and use the correct complaint ID before entering it in the designated input cell. Using an invalid ID disrupts the data retrieval process and prevents the report from displaying accurate complaint information. Let's navigate to the main worksheet. Column D is specifically used for capturing complaint IDs, which are unique identifiers that help retrieve full complaint records accurately in the report worksheet for efficient tracking. Now this is the main table where we enter data for each complaint in a single row, making it easier to manage, organize, track, and analyze all complaint-related records. Above the main table, there is a summary table that displays key indicators such as the total number of complaints by status and severity, helping users quickly monitor trends, track performance, and prioritize necessary corrective actions more effectively. Cell D11 is our designated search cell where you should type any keyword, ID, or specific detail you want to locate in the main table, then simply click the search button to quickly highlight or filter matching records, making data navigation faster, more accurate, and highly efficient for users managing multiple customer complaints at once. I will now put the video on fast forward as I demonstrate how each of these buttons works, just to save time while still showing the full functionality in action. The search button plays a crucial role in efficient data capturing by quickly locating specific complaint records within the main table. It eliminates the need to manually scroll through rows, reducing errors and saving time. This functionality ensures accuracy when updating or reviewing complaint details, streamlining the overall complaint management process and improving productivity for users handling large datasets. The Add New Row button is a real-time saver, especially when the table contains many rows. Instead of manually scrolling to the bottom to insert a new row, this button instantly adds a fresh row in the correct position. It streamlines data capturing, reduces errors, and helps keep your workflow smooth and efficient. The Delete Row button is very useful when managing large tables with many rows. Instead of scrolling through numerous entries to find and remove a specific row, this button quickly deletes the selected row instantly. It helps maintain clean, accurate data by removing unwanted records efficiently, saving time and minimizing mistakes during data capturing processes. The Save as PDF button lets you highlight a specific range within your large table and save only that selected data as a PDF file. This feature is very useful for capturing and sharing particular sections of your data without including the entire table, helping keep your reports clear, focused, and well organized while leaving other rows unaffected. The Save as Word button allows you to highlight and select a specific range within your large table, then save only that chosen data as a Word document. This is especially useful when you want to extract and save particular rows without including the entire table, making data capturing more efficient and organized, while keeping other rows untouched and intact. The Filter Data button allows you to display only the rows that meet specific criteria, hiding all other irrelevant rows. This makes it easier to focus on important data without distractions. Once you're done reviewing or editing, simply click the Unhide button to reveal all hidden rows and return to the full table view. The Save as Word button on the report worksheet automatically saves a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a Word document. You don't need to select any range, making it quick and easy to export the entire report layout for a specific complaint. This ensures consistent formatting and saves time when sharing standardized reports without extra steps. The Save as PDF button on the report worksheet is designed to export a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a PDF file. You don't need to manually select anything, just click the button and your complaint report will be saved instantly with the correct layout. This simplifies the process, especially when you need to generate uniform reports quickly and professionally for documentation or sharing purposes. In the Notes and Instructions worksheet, I've included a dedicated section focused on the disclaimer and my contact details. This part is essential for anyone using the template, as it clarifies the intended use, limitations, and responsibilities associated with the workbook. In the disclaimer, I've also provided my contact details for those who may need support, have questions, or would like to request a customized version of this template. Whether you prefer to reach out via WhatsApp or email, feel free to contact me directly anytime for further assistance or guidance. Now, if you change a date in column R, which is for the target completion dates, the status in column T will automatically be updated. Then, if you navigate to the summary table, you will see that the status counts have also been updated. Finally, when you go to the workbook dashboard, you will notice that the charts have automatically refreshed to reflect the new changes. Thank you so much for watching this overview tutorial. I hope you now understand how to effectively use the Customer Complaint Management template to track and manage complaints efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Don't forget to also check out my other videos where I cover more Excel templates and automation tools designed to boost your productivity.